Takot ako sa water.
Pero kung ito naman yung gusto mo,
And I think it's pretty good.
pupunta muna kami dito sa may stopover, sa may...
Magtatama kayo ng... Akmulay niya rin ang change.
Pwede ka din mag... Hi guys, welcome back on my channel. I'm Brian from the Philippines but currently living and working in Switzerland. But for today's video, we are in Auckland, New Zealand. So for today's video, I'm very excited because this is our second day officially here in Auckland, New Zealand. However, ngayon pa lang kami lalabas ni Mea na magkasama. Since kahapon ay nagka-separate kami na itinerary or ng lakad. So hi guys! Wow! So before everything else, so kasama ko si Madam Mayan and we'll be giving some fun facts about New Zealand. So medyo nag-a-adjust lang yung aking ulo dahil sa buhok ko. So anyway, fun facts about New Zealand. So New Zealand is composed of two major islands. So yung north at saka south. Pero there are lots of islands here in New Zealand, no? Tapos ano pa yung fun facts mo?
There are more ships than human
Yeah.
in New Zealand.
Other fun fact is that yung capital ng New Zealand is not Auckland, not Queenstown, but
It's Wellington.
wow.
Oh my God!
Kiwi pala, meron siyang iba't iba. So pwede siyang fruit, pwede siyang bird, pwede din siyang tawag doon sa nakatira dito, no? So kiwi yung tawag sa kanila. Pero yung fruit daw, specifically kiwi fruit lang siya. So papatong ko muna kayo dito. Ayan. There were no native snakes at all. So walang snakes dito. First country to give women the right to vote. And then yung first bungee jumping ay nasa Queenstown ng 1988. So last thing for me, nabuo tong New Zealand because of the tectonic activity along Pacific and Australian plate. So more of volcano yung nag-formulate dito. Actually, meron isang volcano dito na sikat, which is the Mount Eden. So, anong tawag dito?
I think it's a wharf. Right.
Viaduct?
Viaduct? Not wharf?
I'm not sure. So, anyway, libot-libot muna kami. Alam ko
Ayoko nun. Ayoko ng water. Takot ako sa water.
Pero kung ito naman yung gusto mo. So guys, ayan. Bumubukas yung bridge na pinuntahan namin kanina. And then ito na yung CBD or the Central Business District. Ayan na, may mga nagsiswimming din doon. Sobrang lamig. Ilang degrees ba ngayon, Mayan?
I think it's 12.
12, ganyan. Pero ito kasi ayan na, meron silang parang pool. Ayun yung boat na lalabas, I think. Tapos itong boat na to, lalabas siya papunta na doon. May Albert Park tayo. Tapos ayun yung view ng Sky Tower. Guys, ang bilis nung dito. Stoplight. I mean, pagka-apak mo palang green na, ay red na. Pero so guys, this is the Auckland Sky Tower. Just a little trivia about that tower. It's the tallest building in the southern hemisphere. So, yan, Auckland, New Zealand, Australia. So yun yung pinakamataas. Revolving din yung restaurant doon. Try namin, baka if pwede pa magpa-reserve, kaya lang medyo late na, especially it's Friday. May bayad actually yung pagpunta sa taas. So hi guys, so nasa likod ko ngayon, Patrick's Cathedral. It's one of the most famous landmarks here at Auckland. So kung mapapansin nyo, medyo maliit lang siya, to be fair, as compared sa mga na-visit kong mga cathedral or mga simbahan, especially sa Europe, no? So some of the interesting fun facts about the St. Patrick's Cathedral. So, na-awards yung lupang kinatatayuan nito ay na-award doon sa first Catholic bishop na ang pangalan ay Bishop John Baptist Pompalier, no? So, ayan yung mismong lupa na to sa kanya. And then, it was elevated to a cathedral status in 1848. So, there's an evolution of space from stone to splendor. So, guys, ito yung view ng Sky Tower sa harap. And guys, pasok tayo. Ayan, actually, welcome to Sky City. Siguro nga nasa second floor yung, so meron palang casino, restaurant, and bar. Please head to Sky City, select P3. So guys, papunta kami ngayon sa kanilang Queen Street ba yun? Yung sa kahapon na pinuntahan ko. And ito yung mga mukha ng street nila. Ayan. Actually, maraming Chinese dito. Tignan nyo naman yung mga naglalakad yan. Yung mga Chekwa yan. Pala guys, so nag-try nga kaming magtanong doon sa may reception, doon sa may Orbit 360. Ang sabi naman nila is pwede ka mag-walk-in pero 7:45 pa. It's currently around 7 pa lang. So, hintayin namin mag 7:45 bago kami bumalik doon. So, naglalakad-lakad naman kami dito. Kasi, if ever reservation pa. So, let's see if maswerte kami. No? Especially if Friday ngayon. Meron naman sa bar. Pero ang bar is more of inuman lang tsaka snacks. And then, meron kang minimum spent na $40. So, guys, since nagwe-wait kami, nandito kami ngayon sa may Albert Park. Yung Albert Park is malapit siya sa University of Auckland. Actually, not sure, banda dito yung University of Auckland. Tayo ngayon sa may Albert Park. At saka, fun fact about Albert Park, kung makita nyo yung fountain na yan, alam nyo ba na yung fountain na yan is a Victorian fountain na sinip from England papunta dito at inassemble. Dito siya inassemble. So, ang taon na yan ay 1881 according to ChatGPT. So, yun lang. Cadbury. Ito ano lang siya, parang titikman mo lang. Check na. Oh, hi guys. Unfortunately, we are not successful in securing a table. So anyway, banda dun ata. So guys, we ended up here at Empire Tavern. So I just ordered fish and chips, and for me, I didn't order back ribs, and then I have my lemonade, and then yung draft beer kay me. So ito yung scene niya actually. So guys, ito yung dambuhala kong in-order, fish and chips, and then the baby back ribs with our beer. So let's eat. Hi guys, we're going to Rotorua. Sakay naman dyan. So dito kami ngayon sa McDonald's. So stop over muna. Ayun yung sasakyan. So let's go. Wala naman palang kaya. So yun yung motorway. Yun yung ano nila. Yun yung parang expressway nila. Tapos ito nag-order sila dito. Guys, mahangin pala kayo ni guys. Yung bok ko guys, eh pwedeng makain. So yung kotse ng Mangjon. Okay. Sinigarilyo yata yung Mangjon. So Toyota Hybrid CHR. Yan.
Hinahin na ako.
Tito B.
Yes po.
Habang kumakain si Tito Justin, pupunta muna kami dito sa may stopover, sa may BP Connect. Ikaw mismo yung maggagas. Noon ka mamayad gas, Ken, kaya kilom. So, same lang din pala ng sa ibang bansa, guys. Especially Europe and America. So, sa cashier din nagbabayad ng gas. So,
Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA. I'm not excited.
hi guys, so a little bit trivia about our destination, Rotorua. So Rotorua, New Zealand is the Sulphur City. It sits on the Pacific Ring of Fire. Kaya meron din silang steam, no? So Rotorua means, so yung Roto means lake, and then Rua means two or the second lake. So it's the second lake he discovered in the area, so that's why it's called Rotorua. Rotorua is famous for their hangi. Balaming hangi. Nanya tas?
Wala ang budol.
Budal fight, yeah. Sa Maori milk cook underground pits using heated stove. First 30 minutes in Rotorua without complaining. You'll love it forever. So mabulok ka rin eh.
Sulfur.
Sulfur, yeah.
Touch me, touch me, touch me. I'm so divided. Starstruck, but haters got some indecisive. I'm over fighting. I just can't wake up cold and sleep alone. This boy's some trouble. When he's around, my problems seem like double.
Munta tamo kayo ng babaw mablok. Tamo Rotorua. Oh, siyal tamo kayo tang busok-busok. Nakalasakin. Nakalatawo yan. Ating kay, ating nano yan. Marathon. Pag marathon niya yung sa Brian.
Konting lakad, kakain ulit sila. Lalo na po itong tito ko. Kakatapos lang po nila mag-marathon. Ayan. Kakain. Ng 100 meters. Ganito po yung mga tao dito. Ayan. Ito po yung mga tao dito. Mga healthy po sila. So ito ata yung mga spring dito guys. Ayan o, umuusok siya dito.
Opo, balamu manila blamu.
Pero vulkan niya na.
Pero bulkan niya ini, mumusok ya. Julian tutok ng mamangan. Nanya wari ni. Winter kasi nyalanin dahon. O ini mamulaklak ya. Yung bulaklak, kay ganda ng bulaklak. Hello!
Welcome!
Hanggang mangalgal, okay mo. Lalakad. Ayan po, babaw na po ang atot ng Brian. Makanyang po kabaho. Babaw, bala mo na yung tatakla ka. Makanita po yung amoy. Unay ka ng kabulok. Siyempre, puli mahilig kami, puri mingakit. Busok yung danog. Akmula niya rin nga tiyan.
Okay. Ay, ito po. Pick camera. Okay.
Kaya ka tong?
Parang ubos na ni Juliana. Yan na, kasanteng. Uy, Diyos ko, kabaw ng kabaw nguga, nining babaw, gani. Yan po, kulay gatas, singgay, danom. Pero yung bubusok nin eh.
I thought it would kill me. I thought it would kill me to fall again. But I hit the ground running. So I didn't feel a single thing. My mind was occupied when I was on a high. I could run forever to get a minute, just a minute of
Ni
your
Brian.
time. If this is what it's like, I could get used to.
Guys, nandito po yung sulfur nila. Ayun yung water. And guys, so ito mainit. Hindi naman ganan mainit, pero para nagpo-foot spa. Masarap sa paa. Pag may alipong ka, mawawala. Hi guys, so we're currently here at Cuiro Park. Ito nga pala, yung kanina, naglagay kami ng aming legs doon sa may parang thermal pool na pwede ka magbabad nung iyong paa. So, it's a relaxing siya, no? Kasi para ka naka-spa, hot foot spa, no?
Threw me and I gave in. My mind was occupied and then I was on a high. I could run forever.
So guys, nandito naman kami ngayon sa may Redwoods Forest. Yeah. So this is the Redwood Forest. Actually, hindi na bumaba yung tita ko at si Julian. Pero ito siya. So pwede kang mag-walking dito within sa forest. Pwede ka din tree climbing or may bridge dyan. Tapos ayan, ito yung parang magiging view mo. Nana?
Atin pong maglililikin ni patalinog ka. Laway niyo po rin. Laway niyo po rin tanaman. Anong pangatas? Paukyatan niya po Brian ang poyogan. Masanting po, Kenny, oh. Hello, vlog. Santing po, Kenny. Laway niyo po. Tabi-tabi po. Redwood namin.
Wala naman.
Maglakad na kina naman, Diyos ko. Paninalakad. At chuta mo Kenny, no spring. Lawen. O taruru. Lanyetang. Spring. Lawen danom ng kulay blue.
Narimlan eh.
There'll be girls across the nation that'll eat this up. Babe, I know that it's you, so but could you